Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University.
Hello friends, my name is Dr. Alpaba Rajput, welcoming you all in a Chaitanya studio of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University. Today we are going to focus on a BCA 3.0 subject, Programming Principles and Algorithm. In a previous session we have discussed various control structures, if else ladders and others. With that also we have seen the various looping structures also, and we have focused on the various functions, as well as we have discussed the problem and problem solving techniques. In today's session we are going to focus on a practical problem. We are going to focus on solving the problem practically. So, today's session is about to solve some of the arithmetic problems using a C or a C++, in which we will discuss the various problems like doing the arithmetic operations on the integer, finding the prime numbers, even odd numbers. So, let me start the programming. Okay. First of all, we are going to prepare a program in which we wanted to access the two integer number from the terminal, and we will do the various arithmetic operation on that number, like addition, subtraction and multiplication, and at the end we will see also the division of that two number. Okay. So, let me start the programming. Here for the programming purpose, the basic need that we required from the terminal is any two integer value. So, that value we have need to scan from the terminal, we have need to apply the various arithmetic operation on that number and we will get the output. So, let us start the programming. So, as I told you, in a C programming we are including the various libraries like stdio.h and conio.h, which will give access of some of the library functions like printf, scanf and getch and return kind of. So, here our main purpose is to get the two variable and performing the various operations on that. Okay. So, here we wanted to first we have need to get two values from the terminal. So, for that we are declaring the two variables like first and second. The purpose of these two variable is to get the values from the console on which we wanted to apply the arithmetic operation. Okay. Now, for storing the value of an answer, we are declaring some other variables like integer, addition, like edit, which will